We have some big news today, and honestly, this one's a game changer for creators. Starting July 15th, YouTube is actually rolling out a huge update to its monetization rules. And if you're creating mass produced, repetitive, or AI heavy content, your ad revenue could disappear literally overnight. So, this isn't just a small tweak. YouTube's sending a very clear message to creators. Originality and genuine human input matter more than ever. So let's break it down. What's changing, who's affected, and what you need to do right now to stay ahead. Here's what YouTube is actually saying. They are tightening up enforcement around what they call inauthentic content. That means channels posting videos that feel like automated, spammy, or templated are going to get hit. What are some examples? So content borrowed from other creators with only minor edits like music or cropping used to be enough. Well, it's not anymore. Repetitive formats that look identical across dozens of uploads, especially shorts, they are watching all of them. Clickbait or spam style uploads designed to game the system, they are done. They're absolutely gone. There's no more of that. And while YouTube isn't banning AI completely, if your videos feel mass produced or lack originality, they're going to demonetize you. So why is YouTube doing this? I think it's simple. Advertisers want their brands next to high quality, authentic content. They don't want to waste ad dollars on AI slideshows or lazy reposts. This is about rebuilding trust and making sure ad money goes to creators who put in the real effort, because it's a lot of work. So who's going to feel this the most? Content aggregators, channels that just compile clips from others without adding value. Automated AI channels, generic voiceovers, stock footage, no human creativity whatsoever. Faceless channels. Not all faceless content is bad, but if there's no personality or creative direction, it's kind of risky. Low effort reaction channels. If you're barely reacting and just playing someone else's video, you're going to be in the crosshairs too. But hey, here's the good news. If you're already creating original, thoughtful content with your own voice and point of view, you might actually benefit from this update, because competition from spammy content will actually shrink. Let's take a quick pause right here. If you're enjoying all this and wondering how to adjust fast enough, that's exactly what we help with. Our consulting program here at Howdy Media is built to help creators and business owners pivot quickly so your content connects, converts, and stays fully monetized under these new rules. And I'm telling you, we only have a few spots left. So if you want help making this transition, hit the link in the description and book a free discovery call today. It's a 90-day sprint and we'll go over everything for you. Your content plan, your strategy, all the tools you need, everything that you need to get up and running great content. All right, let's get back to it. Here's how to thrive after July 15th. First, just be original. Originality is actually going to be everything now. Add your own voice, your own face if you can, and your own perspective. Thoughtful editing matters. Use overlays, B-roll, screen shares, and creative transitions so that your videos look unique and polished. Make sure to brand your content. This is huge. Use watermarks, custom intros, logos, anything that makes it clear that the content is yours. If you use content and third-party material, just transform it. Don't just re-upload what it is that you're seeing. Add commentary, insight, storytelling, or education so it couldn't exist without you. So I want you to rethink how you're actually using AI. AI is a great assistant for scripting or ideas, but don't rely on it to do the whole entire job. If you use AI voices, combine them with real human commentary. Be transparent. Viewers and platforms respect that. And most importantly, focus on your audience. Create the content for your consumer, not for yourself. And not just for views. Build a community that responds to comments, engages with your live streams, your posts. Give your viewers a reason to subscribe and come back. And so what are some action items that you need to take before July 15th? You may need to go back and audit your content library. Look at your old uploads. If you got anything that looks spammy or automated, fix it or take it down. Plan your next videos around creativity and connection. And remember, this update isn't just a crackdown. It's an opportunity. Authenticity is winning on YouTube, and it's clearing the space for creators who actually care about the content, creators who show up with authenticity and invest in quality. So July 15th is coming fast, and so make sure that you review your channel, double down on originality, and if you want help, we've got you. but make sure not to wait because the spots are limited. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to drop a comment below and tell me your biggest takeaway. Hit the subscribe button for more practical tips that help you grow your brand and stay ahead of the curve. We'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.